Up in the shadows of Fort Drum. For the last 20 years, I've worked in concert with those men and women of the communities around that great facility in support of the men and women of the 10th Mountain Division. As the President so graciously noted, my service on the Army Caucus and the Board of Visitors at West Point.
One newspaper noted that we have come to the hour for which we were born. Had the Allies failed here, Hitler's occupation of this continent might have continued indefinitely. Recently, I noted this when I was in Normandy. For just as men from Boston and Birmingham risked all that they had to storm those beaches and scale those cliffs, Soviet soldiers from places like Kazan and Kiev endured unimaginable hardships to repel an invasion and turn the tide in the East. This was already noted by our previous speaker.
You're the first Asian head of state to be appointed by President Obama here this such an invitation. Despite this is your first time.
Buy American provisions that were there, as I noted at the time, we made sure that they were WTO compliant. That doesn't. As President Lee just noted, we discussed the need to keep moving forward towards a U.S.-Korea free trade agreement, which would create jobs and prosperity in both our countries.
The President noted the issues that we discussed with a particular focus on the New START Treaty.
And I think it's worth noting that the majority of economists have upwardly revised their forecasts for economic growth and noted that as a consequence of this agreement, we could expect to see more job growth in 2011 and 2012 than they originally anticipated.
Have on various occasions stressed the fact that the influence and the significance of the China-U.S. relationship have gone far beyond the bilateral dimension. China and the United States share broad.
Roy Paulson in Temecula, California, noted the economy develops in pockets.
Address the concerns of his people, and we have noted, I believe, that he has taken some significant steps in doing that. Beyond that, I don't have.
That June day wasn't the first or the last time that this church stood in the cross currents of history. It was referred to as the Parliament of.
During his speech at the UN, President Obama noted the importance of getting aid to the victims of the famine in the Horn of Africa.
No one has done more to bring to light the special challenges being faced by military children, whom she would have often noted labor under a special kind of fear.
And as has been noted, it is only because they did that I am able to stand here as President of the United States of America. Which is why when I had a chance to see him backstage, I gave them all a kiss and a hug.